Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Vamsi Chippa is here. Today I am here excited to show you that how to use Excel with AI. We all know that how powerful Excel is, but sometimes it will become sticky or time consuming. Using Excel, sometimes we get a lot of time, but using AI, we can much easier and faster. We will see in this video as like how to create sheets using ChatGPT without learning the formula, how to apply on it. Okay, let's go. Before that, we have to open our Excel, and I have the blank page, and we have to go to the Google Chrome and we have to search chatgpt.com, which is made by the OpenAI company, which one I love the most. And today I will show you how to use it. After opening the chatgpt.com, if you are using for first time, you have to sign up or you have to create your account here, and after that you can see a page which looks like this, and we will give him the prompt. This is my prompt, that as you can see here, you can pause the video and you can copy my prompt also. And finally it has given our link. We have to open it and we have to copy the full page and we have to paste that into our original sheet. Boom guys, here you can see the sheet which we have created without even a single word. This is how the powerful ChatGPT is. This is that how we created the sheet without using a single word. And here we can see the columns of total and percentage. He calculated the values and he put out in that. Only the thing is that we have to give a proper prompt and it will generate a sheet, and we have to download and open. Congratulations guys, here we finally created our sheet. My first as not least but the sentence is that AI will not replace you. The person who uses the AI, maybe he can replace you. If you want to know that how to create a dashboards in 2 minutes, you can click here and check out this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips. If you have any question, leave them into the comment box below. Thank you guys. We will see you in the next video.